Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of SEO. We'll understand the concepts of on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Section 1, On-Page SEO. On-page SEO refers to all the optimization techniques you can implement directly on your website. Following are some optimization techniques. 1. Keyword research. It involves finding the right keywords that your target audience is searching for. These keywords should be relevant to your content and have a decent search volume. 2. Title tags and meta descriptions. Title tags are the clickable headlines users see in search results. Meta descriptions are short snippets that provide a brief summary of your page. They should be engaging, informative, and encourage users to click through. 3. High-quality content. Content is king. Create high-quality, relevant, and engaging content that answers your audience's questions and provides value. 4. URL structure. A clean and organized URL structure makes it easier for search engines to understand the hierarchy of your website. Use URLs that include your target keywords. 5. Header tags. Header tags break down your content into sections, making it easier to read and navigate. Properly using H1, H2, and H3 tags can improve both user experience and SEO. Section 2, Exploring Off-Page SEO. Off-page refers to all the optimization activities that happen outside your website. Off-page SEO is all about building your website's reputation and authority across the web. In off-page SEO, following are optimization techniques. 1. Backlink building. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. When reputable sites link to yours, search engines view your website as valuable and authoritative. 2. Social media engagement. Engaging on social media platforms can indirectly influence your SEO. Sharing your content, interacting with your audience, and building a strong social presence can drive traffic and increase your website's visibility. 3. Influencer outreach. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can amplify your brand's reach. Their endorsements and mentions can lead to more traffic and valuable backlinks. 4. Online reviews. Positive online reviews are gold for local SEO. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google My Business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.